Hearing aids have undergone a revolution. Today, they are intelligent, connected devices that transform lives. The features available in hearing aids today are light years beyond simple amplification. They enhance clarity, reduce noise, support brain health, and even detect falls. AI is now at the heart of hearing aid technology. The smartest hearing aids use deep learning and neural networks to analyze sound environments in real time. Today's hearing aids allow direct streaming from smartphones, tablets, and televisions. You no longer need neck loops or adapters. Lithium-ion batteries are now standard in premium hearing aids. They offer convenience, cost savings, and environmental benefits. Understanding speech in noisy places is one of the top concerns for hearing aid users. Advanced features in today's devices make this much easier. Some hearing aids now include fitness tracking features. These support overall well-being, not just hearing. Tinnitus affects millions. Today's hearing aids offer built-in features to help manage it. Whistling and squealing sounds, known as feedback, are a thing of the past. Every major hearing aid brand has a mobile app for customization and support. The features available in hearing aids today are advanced, personalized, and transformative. You deserve to experience the best hearing possible. Contact American Hearing and Audiology to schedule your appointment today. We'll help you choose the perfect device and guide you every step of the way.